You read the title right. It's time for another giveaway. I'm going to be giving away two cards here. It's the Descent NFC card. So the Descent NFC card here, and then the backup card. I'm going to be giving this away. I've done an unboxing of this quite a while ago. I've got a few giveaways that I want to do. This giveaway is currently active. If you want to understand how to participate, well, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and click on the bot that I have on Discord on the participate, and once the giveaway is complete, it will randomly choose somebody from everybody that's participated. Do not use multiple Discord accounts to create this, because my Discord bots and stuff do find out and kick everybody. This has happened before when I was giving away a Tangem, and then luckily somebody else won it, and then I shipped it out to them and they've got it. Anyways, this is what you're going to be receiving. Two of these, so one of each of these cards. This one, why is it strapped like this? You need to understand. You need to watch my YouTube video. There's been no data or any leaks or anything, but do just check that out. Check out my YouTube video. See what happened. It's pretty funny, lol. But yeah, this is what I'm giving away. The giveaway ends on the last day of February, so the 1st of March is basically when the bot should automatically announce it at 12 o'clock UK time. It'll automatically announce it. That's the 1st of March 2026, right? There's quite a bit of time for people to get involved. So subscribe to my channel, click on my bot, and yeah, share this video. It's fine if you want to share it with friends and stuff, and you all get along and like get into this, and then somebody takes it. I don't care about that. It's just if you're making specific accounts and like trying to raid my Discord channel, Discord, game over. How do you go into my Discord? It's literally Discord / so discord.gg/JBinzala. It's so easy. It's so easy to join. Do join, lol. And yeah, keep in touch with my community and everything. Anywho, do subscribe to my channel. Do like this video. Do share this video. And do subscribe and follow my Rumble channel if you're watching it on there. You probably will follow it. I don't know. Anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.